Where can you go, where you are never alone, where the sun always shines and life is friendly and kind? Just close your eyes, now you're under blue skies. So come spend some time, who knows what you'll find. Yes, come make some friends down at UmpleHump Henge.
Welcome, my friends, back to UmpleHump Henge, where today we are meeting a rare and special friend. Can you spot where they are? Let's take a look round. See if you can find them, if they want to be found. Are they in Hairy Hedge?
Broccoli!
No, that's the Stap Hazard Scrooms. Are they by Fumbly Falls? No, that's the Mumblety Mooms. Are they up the Michaelmas tree?
Munchgusset!
No, that's Little Leap Bloomer. Are they in the Gobbling Grass? Morning! No. Surprised we didn't spot them sooner. That's Humbungle Grump. I wonder where they are. We can't look much longer. Ooh, what about by Henry Henge?
Appendicitis!
No, that's Woggle the Wongler. Let's look over here and see what we see. Oh, look! Can you see them? There, in the long bumble reeds. Now, we have to keep quiet and whisper our words, for this is something quite special. Say hello to the shy bird.
Munchgusset!
Hump me up the Halifax!
No, young Wongler. We have to stay quiet. That's the rare shy bird. We are lucky to spy it.
Bad rhyming!
The shy bird stays perfectly still. You never see them come or go, and no one ever will. They blend in with the background and never make a sound. And it's said wherever they do land, they spread calm and kindness all around.
Lemon meringue pie!
Munchgusset! Mayblamer! Clumpustrious gnome!
You've seen the shy bird before? In your very first home?
Clumpgussler!
Little Leap Bloomer used to live up a tree beneath the brilliant blue sky in a golden green canopy. The leaves and the branches kept everyone safe, and the name of this haven was Bumblebree's Shade. Bumblebree's Shade was a remarkable place because everyone who lived there was a different race. There was Button-Blind Jill.
Where am I?
And Boop Oople Blob. The square root of Scoon. Delighted to meet you, my dears. And Wobbly Bob. And our friend Little Leap Bloomer, naturally.
flaps. But alas, all was not well here in old Bumblebreeze. Everyone was different. They did not get along, because everyone thought everyone else was quite wrong.
How dare you, sir?
They were from different backgrounds and had different beliefs, and would argue and argue in the tops of the trees.
No, I'm sorry, I just can't see your point of view there.
And then one day, all of a sudden, and quite out of the blue, they spotted the shy bird. But I wonder, can you? Yes, there they are. And as soon as they saw them, everyone knew they must be quiet and peaceful and respectful and true.
I say, would everyone mind awfully being quiet now? Thank you very much.
Who said that?
For the shy bird was so ancient and special and rare. Everyone knew they must be careful now the shy bird was there. So they all came together to admire the bird, and the differences between them became softened and blurred. They had more in common than they'd realized. They were considerate, compassionate, caring, and kind. Do you know, I really rather like you. The differences they did have meant they could discuss, listen, and share. Yes, everything got better once they knew the shy bird was there.
So, would you say you're more of a philosophical existentialist or a malignant narcissist?
Everyone enjoyed all their differences. It made them better friends. And now Bumblebree's shade was just like UmpleHump Henge. Friends.
Exceedingly good cakes!
Shh! We've got to keep quiet and whisper our words. Make no sudden movements. Don't scare the great shy bird. And so everyone stayed as quiet, and stood still as still. Why don't you all try it? Don't say a word, and don't move a muscle. If we all stay like this, we won't get in trouble. Shh. Hello there, dear Fluffernuffs. We're sorry to shush you, but the shy bird's here, so stay quiet, could you?
Fluffy duff, fluffy fluff.
What's that you say? The shy bird likes singing?
Fluff.
And it reminds you of when you first met them, back at the beginning?
Fluff, 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 fluff. Fluff, fluff it off, fluff, 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 fluff it off. Fluff it up and fluff it up and fluff it up and fluff it up and fluff, 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 fluff it up. Fluff it up and fluff it up and fluff it up and fluff it up and fluff, fluff it up. Fluff, fluff, fluff it off. Fluffy, fluff and fluff it up and fluffy, 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 fluff, fluff it off. Fluff, fluff, fluff it off. Fluffy, 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 fluff. Fluffy, fluff. Fluff, fluff, fluffy fluff, oh fluffy, my fluff, oh fluff, oh fluff, oh
Oh, Fluffy McFluff, fluff, fluff, fluffy, fluff. Oh, Fluffy, my fluff.
Terence Tread Derby!
Wangle, will you please stop it? Stop making such sounds. We have to stay quiet. You're letting us all down.
Underfloor heating.
Humbungle Grump had just lost their temper, but then they looked at the Shy Bird. And then they remembered. Oh, I'm sorry, young Wangler. I shouldn't have snapped. I didn't mean what I said. No, I didn't mean that. I know you can't help shouting things out, and you should feel safe to do that here. That's what UmpleHump Henge is all about.
Manchgasset!
Broccoli!
Fluffy McFluff!
My porridge is rather tepid.
Oh, thank you, young Wangler. That is very kind. Little broccoli. What's that, my friend? What's on your mind? Little broccoli. If the Shy Bird brings calmness and kindness, why has it come here? Is it to remind us? Little broccoli. Well, yes. Sometimes we all need a little reminder to think about others, to be nicer and kinder. Nobody knows where the Shy Bird comes from. Any knowledge of that is distant and long gone. But you know, when I look around at all my kind friends, I think that bird might come from UmpleHump Henge.
Fluff enough, fluff enough, fluff, fluff, fluff.
You want to sing a song to say thank you to the Shy Bird? Why, that's one of the bestest ideas that I ever heard. Come on, everybody, let's all sing a song. And everyone out there, you can all sing along.
Ashton Services.
Broccoli.
Everybody's different, doesn't mean division. We can all be lifelong friends.
Sock.
Wherever someone comes from, Bumblebees and London, and we want to say things in the end. The Shy Bird reminds us we all want love and kindness. There's nothing that we can't become. Manchgasset. We all need a reminder that we can all be kinder. And be like UmpleHump. Be like UmpleHump.
I am the square root of me.
I can't see.
Let us paint a picture with a perfect mixture with all the stories to tell. The different shapes and sizes, same caring and kindness. There's always someone you can help.
Mathematics.
The same is seldom boring. Change is worth exploring. Diversity can be the key. Younger, same or older, embrace of different cultures and be like Bumblebees. Be like Bumblebees. Fluffy, 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 fluff. Oh, fluffy, fluffy, up my fluff, McFluff. Fluff it with Fluffy and Nuffy McFlunch. Fluff it quite nuffy, fluff it up my Fluffy. Be like Buckle Branch. Be like Buckle Branch. UmpleHumpers.
Got a welcome all around, oh yes.
Bumble Breezers.
Got to spread that kindness around.
Buckle Branchers.
Fluffy, fluffy, off.
All you watchers, be like UmpleHump. Be like UmpleHump. Make the world much kinder.
Be your own Shy Bird.
Be like UmpleHump. Now you all know you are never alone. 'cause our sun always shines deep in all of your minds. Now open your eyes, say goodbye to blue skies. Always treasure our time and always be kind. Yes, please come again. Love from UmpleHump Henge.